So hello friends, in this video we are going to see the derivatives problem. Y equal to sin x raised to x plus log x plus log x raised to tan x plus x raised to a. So here in this function problems you can see the question is like function raised to function, x raised to x, okay, sin x raised to x, log x raised to tan x. So now here how you are going to do? So now let u, consider this sin x raised to x equal to u, and here also this log x raised to tan x. So consider this whole term as v equal to log x raised to tan x, because this both are function raised to function. The next log x and x raised to this we can do with normal formula, okay, of derivatives. So consider y equal to, here put u as we have considered u equal to sin x raised to x. So u plus log x raised to tan x is v plus x raised to a, okay. So now differentiating y with respect to x on both sides. So in the next step, d by dx of y equal to d by dx of u plus d by dx of log x plus d by dx of v plus d by dx of x raised to a. So here for log x we have the standard formula, derivative of log x is 1 by x, and for here also x raised to a, derivative of x raised to n is nx raised to n minus 1, okay. So in the next step I can write 1 by x, and here x raised to n, nx raised to n minus 1. So derivative of v as it is, you have to write plus a minus 1 raised to a minus 1 plus here also derivative of u as it is equal to d by dx of y, okay. So here we have simplified it till here. So make it equation 1, okay, till here we have done. And in the next now we are going to do u equal to sin x raised to x, function raised to function. So now we are going to take log on both sides. So log u equal to log of sin x raised to x. So log has the property, if it has the power it comes down, so x will come down, x into log x into sin x. So log u, now differentiating u with respect to x on both sides. So here derivative of log u, as we have the log x formula 1 by x, x is we have considered u, into derivative of which we have considered as x, u equal to, here how can we do this? So we have the derivative u into v rule, so consider this as u and this as v, okay. So u into v rule, u derivative of v dx plus v derivative of u dx, okay. So now we are going to put this formula here. So u is x, derivative of this v which is log into sin x plus v log sin x into derivative of u which is x. So here write as it is 1 upon u into d by dx of u equal to x as it is into derivative of this. So consider sin x as x, so derivative of log x is 1 by x, x is sin x, into derivative of which we have considered as x which is sin x, okay, plus log sin x as it is into derivative of 1 and put 1, okay, So in the next step, write as it is 1 upon u into dx d by dx of u, x upon sin x into derivative of sin x is cos x plus log sin x into 1 is same log sin x. Okay, so now cos upon sin is cot, again we are applying the trigonometry basic, plus log sin x. So now here d by dx of u, the u is in denominator, if it goes that side it will be going to numerator, so it will be going to multiply. So d by dx of u equal to u, which is sin x raised to x, sin x raised to x into cot x plus log sin x. Okay, so we got it till here. Again here we have to put the brackets to avoid the confusions. This is equation 2. As you can see, the u came here, so it goes in the bracket to both. So yeah, now we are going to do the v. Now v equal to log x raised to tan x. So now again taking log on both sides, so log v equal to log x raised to tan x. So now log property, the power will come down in the next step. Log v equal to tan x into log of x. So I am writing it here as I am not having the space, tan x. Okay, now in the next step I am going to differentiate it v with respect to x on both sides. So here log x is 1 by x into derivative of which we have considered as x, it is v. Okay, so equal to this, I have to do the u into v rule. So u, I am considering it tan x as u and it as v. Okay, so u derivative of v plus v derivative of u, tan x as it is, into derivative of log x plus v log x into derivative of u tan x. So now in the next step, 1 upon v into d by dx of v equal to tan x as it is, okay, into derivative of this log x. I have the formula, so consider this log x as x, so 1 upon x is log x, into derivative of which we have considered as x, which is log x. Okay, done, plus log x into derivative of tan x is sec square x. So this as it is 1 upon v into d by dx of v equal to tan x upon log x into derivative of log x is 1 by x plus log x into sec square x. So now d by dx of v equal to, this is in the denominator, it will go into numerator. Okay, so now v is going in the numerator, log x raised to tan x into this whole term, which is tan x upon log x into 1 by x plus log of log x into sec square x. Okay, so yeah, please try to put the brackets to avoid the confusion. Here also I have not shown, yeah, this bracket, it goes to both. U is multiplication to both. Okay, so now this is equation 3. Two first equation. So now we are going to put the equation 3 and 2 in equation 1. D by dx of y equal to d by dx of u plus 1 upon x plus dy dx of v plus ax a minus 1 raised to a minus 1. So I have written the equation 1 as it is. So d by dx of y equal to d by dx of u, which is this whole term I have to write sin x raised to x into bracket x into cot x plus log sin x bracket plus 1 by x plus d by dx of v, which is log x raised to tan x into bracket this whole term tan x upon log x into 1 by x plus log of log x into sec square x. Okay, this d by dx of v plus ax raised to a minus 1. So this is the complete derivation we have done till here. So now write down, we are substituting the equation 3 and 2 in equation 1, right? So mention everything. We get this final answer, and also try to mention the formulas wherever you have applied it, like here x raised to n, derivative of x raised to n I have applied here, right? And x raised to n minus 1, and here also I have used log x formula. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. So to solve formulas you have to mention in the right side. Try to keep some space in the right side to mention the formulas of derivatives accordingly in that step. Here also I am used u into v rule. So derivative of u into v formula, u derivative of v plus v derivative of u, and what else formulas I have used I have to mention it in the right side. The step contain marks, so please try to do it neatly. Here also derivative of sin x is cos x, I have applied it. Okay, and you can put this also if you want to mention the trigonometric cos upon sin is cot, which we have applied, and all. And here also try to mention the formulas wherever you have applied it to get good marks, because step contain marks. Here also u into v rule, u derivative of v dx plus v derivative of u dx. So yeah, that's all. Thank you.